Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel. In this video we're going to show you how to import a WhatsApp subscriber list manually and send a broadcast message to imported subscribers. First, go to the Excel dashboard and open Subscriber Manager. If you have multiple WhatsApp accounts, then you must select the one you want to use. Click on Options and the drop-down menu will appear. You can see a lot of options here. Click on Import Subscribers and a pop-up will be shown here. You can see an upload file called Upload Files. Notice that your file must be a CSV file. Let's create a CSV file of subscribers. Open the Google Sheet or Excel file as you prefer. Add 2 columns in it, one for the phone number, make sure the text is in all lowercase and with an underscore as I've written, and the other for the name in lowercase. Keep in mind phone numbers should start with the country code. Like I'm from India, the phone number should start with 91 without a plus sign because Excel doesn't support the plus sign. Add your numbers and names in it. Then go to a file and download the file in CSV format. Now go back to Excel and upload the file. Great, all your subscribers will be uploaded here. It will show you the first 2 subscribers' phone numbers and names. Check it carefully if all is okay. Now click on Map Data twice, set the phone number to phone number and set the name to subscriber name. Now click on the Confirm button. Your subscribers will be uploaded on Excel. Now, in the second step, we need to create a message template. Let's create a message template. From the dashboard of Excel, go to the Bot Manager, select the bot account for which you want to create the message template. Click on the Create button and choose the general template. Let me create a test message template. Yes, the message template has been created. We must check the status of the template. Yes, the template has been approved. If it's not approved, then just change something and try again. This message template can be used for broadcast live chat and any integrated message, so after creating the test template message, now go back to the Excel dashboard and select Broadcasting from the WhatsApp section and click on Create. For a new broadcast message, the Visual Flow Builder will open in a new tab of your browser. Here, give it a campaign name. I will write Test here. You can see 2 buttons. The first one is 24 hours and the second one is Anytime. When you toggle the 24 hours button, Excel will select those subscribers who messaged you in the last 24 hours. When you toggle the Anytime button, Excel will select those subscribers who didn't message you first. Instead, you are going to message them for the first time. Now I will select the Anytime option here because the phone number I'm going to add didn't message me first. Select a message template we just created. Okay, moving on. Here you can include and exclude labels. If you want to schedule the message or to be sent later, you can toggle the Send Later button like this. I want to send it immediately, so I will not use this option. Now just save it. After that, click on the Start Flow part and give it a title, so I'm going to write Test. Okay, to save the workflow, click on Save button and your broadcast will be sent finally. We go back to the Excel dashboard and select Broadcasting, and here you can check the status of your broadcast. Right now it's pending. It will take a few minutes to complete the campaign. Let's wait for some time. Yes, the campaign has been sent. We can see the report by clicking on the I button. Well, that's all. This is how you can import a WhatsApp subscriber list manually and send a broadcast message to imported subscribers. Thanks for watching.